Italian brain rot quiz. If you get 5 out of 6, you are a certified tung tung sahur rizzler. Question 1. Who is this? Correct. That is tung 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 sahur. Question 2. Finish the lyrics.
Brr, brr,
Yes. That is.
brr, brr, patapim.
Now question 3. Who is Cappuccino Assassino's girlfriend? Correct. It is Ballerina Cappuccina. Like and subscribe if you have gotten everything right so far. Now for question 4. Who is this? Yes. That is Bombardino Crocodilo. Question 5. What comes after this?
Scimpanzini.
Correct. That is.
Scimpanzini bananini.
Final question. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Who is this? Fantastic. That is Bombombini Gusini.